I'm very excited. I have an important meeting today. It's with a representative from an awesome brand. I've been following them for a while. Great product, some really clever marketing. But they're only on the West Coast. I want to bring them to this part of the country. If we can get some exclusive inventory, that would be big. I've been doing a lot of prep, which has been very informative for me. I've learned more about my customers. I've gotten a better view of the market. There's a whole presentation I put together. It says why this is the right place for their product and why I'd be the right partner. We seem really aligned. When I first saw this guy's work, it just looked like something we had to carry. It seemed like he got what I'm trying to do. And we've never even met. I'm also nervous. Inventory is tricky. A lot of planning goes into it. The risk is that you'll put money into something that no one wants. Then, until you move it, you have to pay more money to have a place to show it. The store itself. This partnership definitely has some risk attached, but it could do a lot to differentiate us and create some buzz. The market here is pretty crowded, which is why the risk is worth it to me. There is also risk for the designer in forming this relationship. I'm hoping his brand will help mine, but he'll want to make sure mine doesn't hurt his. He'll want to make sure the store makes a good impression. It would be the first place here people could see his inventory. We're a great fit, definitely, but he doesn't know me or what I can do. His team needs to be comfortable with us representing his brand. I need him to get that we're small, but we're legitimate. We're going to stick around and we can move his inventory. I know I've said it already, but this could be a big move for us. It could help take the store to the next level. It would make it more of a destination. It would make what's in my head all that more real. People who'd come, my vision would be so much clearer for them. It would give me that much more control. Things are really starting to come together. I've been laying the groundwork for a while. I'm so glad that people are engaging with what I'm doing, taking it into their lives a little. There's still a lot to be done, but I'm excited to put my head down and get to work. I have to hold myself back a little. It's hard not to get carried away when you're bitten by success. When it's clear from the start that you're set for the scene, you can wait for the moment, or you go and find it. You're a face in the crowd, but they like what you see. You can pull on this feeling, make it real, unwind it. Out in the open, that's where you start to feel the first victories burst in the air. Just a sign of something, giving you that glow. Now all it takes is one thing. Now there's no holding back. People see who you are. Will they be disappointed, or will joy surround them? It's the look in your eye. It's the story you tell. When you get them excited, have this high, confound them. Out in the open, that's where you start to feel the first victories burst in the air. Just a sign of something, giving you that glow. All it takes is one thing. Can't stop, won't stop, no, not just yet. Step by step, get there, go, find what fits. Stay strong, be strong, now there's no rest. Keep them hooked, hold them, how? That's the trick. You'll get thrown to the wind. You'll get served on a plate. What do you think that you're fixed on will be picked apart here. It's a lot just to ask. There's so much you can do. Still, it's not what you're after, but you have to start here. Out in the open, that's where you start to feel the first victories burst in the air. Just a sign of something, giving you that glow. All it takes is one thing.